God, I'm so behind. How does everyone else manage? Another productivity app? Fine. Let's see what this one does. Hey there, I'm your productivity pal. Looks like you could use a hand? Great, now I'm hallucinating. But sure, imaginary friend, got any life-changing advice? Life-changing might be a stretch, but how about we start with managing your time better? I've tried everything. To-do lists, alarms, you name it. Okay, let's keep it simple. Have you heard of time blocking? Vaguely. Isn't that just a fancy calendar? Kind of, but it's more about intention. Here, let me show you. See? You assign specific tasks to blocks of time. Like 9 to 11 a.m. Work on that essay you've been avoiding. And that actually works. It can, if you stick to it. Think of it as making appointments with yourself. I guess I could try that. Great. And here's another tip, the Pomodoro Technique. The what now? Sounds like a pasta sauce. Close. It's actually a time management method. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Simple, right? Yeah, I could probably focus for 25 minutes. Exactly. And don't forget to use tools that work for you. Have you tried Notion or Todoist? I downloaded them, but never really used them. No worries. The key is finding what fits your style. Maybe start with just one and see how it goes. Yeah, I could do that. Thanks, ProductivityPal. You're pretty cool for a glitchy hologram. Anytime, Alex. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Now how about you start by getting some sleep? As the hologram fades, Alex closes the laptop and heads to bed, looking a bit more hopeful. Do these conversations with yourself, and you will skyrocket the things which were running like tortoise. For more information and tips on staying productive without the weeds in your way, hit that subscribe button and share this with anyone who's looking for green grass and not weeds. We are here to help you guys. Have good day or good night from AI Innovators Academy team.